right, so we have this waterless wash and wax. Eco-friendly.
Wait a minute, so you can wash and wax in one...
at the same time. We have two cars. We have Sparky, which is dirty perpetually.
Yes.
And a clean, already waxed, basically, car.
Yeah, that car looks fantastic already. I can't see how this is going to make it look any better.
Right. So we just want to take a look at the difference between, you know, using this on a dirty car. Say you don't clean your car that often, and it's too much of a hassle to wash it and then wax it, and you want to save the environment.
Ding, ding, ding.
Right. Is this a good product? Will it work on a completely dirty car like Sparky? And then we also want to see for the pristine, for the car, truly car lovers, the people that love their cars.
Yes.
Is this good enough? Right. So we're going to try both, and we're going to see how it works.
All right, let's go do it.
All right, so I'm reading the instructions here. Shake well to activate the formula. Lightly apply the formula to a microfiber cloth into the surface, one area or panel at a time. Wipe the area in one direction, not circles, and then use a second clean and dry microfiber cloth to buff the surface to reveal a protective shine. So I'm going to give it a shot, give it a good shaking. All right, so I'm just going to put a little bit on there. This is like super dirty. We just drove here. It's dirty. Wipe down. I don't clean cars ever, so if my technique is not so good, you know, you can feel free to leave a comment, but like, I'm not gonna listen to you. All right, so I'm getting it to a pretty good shine. Sparky has a lot of scratches, 40,000 miles, and we've never waxed or done anything besides car washes, so it's gonna look, it's gonna look pretty bad. But I mean, overall, it's given a really glossy shine to something that was, well, looked like that.
Alright, so we've been using Smart Polish Pro's Waterless Wash and Wax for the past few weeks, ever since we shot this video, and I've been liking it more and more. One of the reasons is it's eco-friendly, and so many products use horrible chemicals, this one does not. The second thing I like about it is that you don't have to use water to wash your car. A lot of water gets wasted washing a car, and using this product, you actually get to wash it without pouring water all over your car. So I find that amazing, but it actually does work. It's easy to use, and it does both things. It washes it and it waxes it at the same time, which I don't know how they did that, but it really does work. So I'm sorry if the video didn't really show how shiny and waxy it looks once you've used it, but it really does look great. Thank you so much for watching this video. We do a lot of videos about a lot of different topics, so if you just happen to find this because of the washing part, we do other things. So please feel free to check out our videos on our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and now you know.